What's up, Peak Timers? Phil here from Peak Time Racing. Today we're gonna unbox and get a close-up look at the Hot Wheels Police Series 5-car set. On the back card of each car included with this set, we do get a look at all of the cars included for this 5-car set. Let's go ahead and start with car number 1. And car number 1 from this set is the 1985 Chevrolet Camaro. And if we look at the cards of all of the cars from the set, you can just see the really cool graphic looks on here. Today in Hot Wheels news with this little laptop on here, then it's got the Camaro. Looks like the IROC Camaro, very popular one. Let's go ahead and open up car number 1 of 5 from this set here. And let's have a look at this Camaro right here. So this one does have a Highway Patrol written on the side of it. Very nice looking wheels on here. Glossy black paint job. That's that classic front IROC look on here. And there's the IROC front end as well. Little Hot Wheels logo right there. We got a gray interior on here. Then we've got the little white roof on there painted. No tampo work or anything as far as that goes on the rear end right there. But from the side, this is just an absolutely fantastic looking car. If you're a big Camaro fan, this is definitely the one to get for this little police set right here. And car number 2 of 5, we've got the Nissan Fairlady Z. And of course, this one's done up in a Japanese police car variation. This set actually has a good variation of all different types of cars, muscle cars, exotics, and JDMs and all of that. So this is obviously our JDM car. The Datsun, you can see right there, that very cool. I call it a Datsun because, well, it's Nissan Fairlady Z, but it's kind of like a Datsun 240 or 280. So there we go. Let's go ahead and pop it open right here and see a look at this one here. And we can see this one is a very nice looking shiny glossy white, and it's got the little Japanese writing just right on the side right there. And if we look on the back right there, also you can see that Japanese writing. I really like this look though, like this wide body look. If we look at it from this view, you can just see how these fenders just come out on here. Very nice looking blacked out wheels for this one as well. We got some nice little painting on the front end right there. No tampos or anything for the headlights or anything like that. The rear end though, it does kind of integrate the lights into the body right there, which kind of looks actually pretty cool. And I just love this lip spoiler on here. This lip spoiler just looks really cool. Just a really aggressive looking little sports car JDM car, guys. And car number 3 of 5, we've got the 2016 BMW M2, and just look at those graphics all on there. You can see little M2's chasing some other car right there. We got this guy with this like watch, I guess. I don't know. It's just kind of like the police is trying to flex with this watch. I'm not really sure exactly what that is, because that is the BMW logo right there. So you can see he is driving this M2, but check that one out. And I think this one, it's either the German police or French police. I'm not 100% sure. You guys can correct me in the comments which police this one is from, but let's go ahead and pop open car number 3 of 5. We can get a nice look at that one. Get out of here, BMW. Come on. There we go. And there it is. More blacked out wheels on this one. There's the police kind of graphics on the side of it right there. And we can see just from the top, you can see how it's written backwards. And as far as I know, I think the reason why they write police backwards on a lot of cars is if someone's looking in the rear view mirror, it's going to show the opposite. So they'll be able to read this straight. So I think this one is French, I'm going to guess. But you guys, again, can correct me if I'm wrong. And I'm dropping it. Oh, no, of course. It wouldn't be a proper video if I didn't drop it. Don't worry, it doesn't look scratched or anything like that at all. Hyperceptor on there, it does say. If we look on the back of it right there, just kind of plain, nothing as far as graphics or anything goes. But BMW M2, I think it's a fantastic looking car. What do you guys think of it? And car number 4 of 5, my personal favorite from this set, it's the Lamborghini Aventador Coupe police car. And I believe this one is supposed to be the Dubai police, because I know the Dubai police have a Lamborghini in their fleet. So I think this kind of looks like the colors of it. But again, you guys correct me if I'm wrong there. Look at those graphics on there, just racing around, the big Hot Wheels logo right there. We've got the little skyline right there. So it does kind of look like the Dubai skyline. It could even, it's got the palm trees, could even be Miami, but that's definitely not a Miami police car from the looks of it, guys. But wow, just a great looking car. Let's go ahead and get a close-up look at it right here. And there we go. And I've got a big collection of these Lamborghini Aventadors, so it's nice to have another one here, especially in the police variation. We've got it black with the striping on there just down the front there, and you can see the great looking tempo work for those headlights right there. It just looks absolutely awesome there. And we look on the back right there, there's nothing much as far as stamping or tempo work goes or anything like that. Very clean looking car, glossy white. I like that police just written on the side of it. But Lamborghini Aventador, guys, I know how much you guys love Lambos. I'm a big Lambo fan. What do you guys think of this Lamborghini Aventador police car? And last but not least, car number 5 of 5, we've got the Volkswagen Golf Mk7. And I'm not really sure what there's a forecast with like the degrees temperature, and it says there's a storm coming. I have no idea why they would have written that. And you can see the police with the skyline just right there, so I'm not too sure what city that's supposed to imitate. It looks maybe like a London police car if I had to guess correctly, but again, you guys correct me if I'm wrong. Does that look like the London skyline right there? Could be like Big Ben right there. I don't know, maybe it is, guys, but there it is, Volkswagen Mk7. Let's go ahead and pop it open and see what this one's all about. And again, very nice looking car. This one's a very clean look. It's kind of a grayish silver color. It's got like the speckled paint job inside of there, but it's nice and glossy. We've got the Polizza written on the side of it. So a police, I think that might be actually Italian. If I had to guess, I think it might be Italian. So maybe it is Italian. I don't know. You guys, again, correct me in the comments down below if you guys can name which city or which country all of these police cars are supposed to represent. You guys can tell me down in the comment section down there. Not much tempo work or anything like that goes on the side of that one. Kind of disappointing there. Nothing back on the back right there. But again, just overall, nice looking Volkswagen Golf Mk7. All right, guys, I got all 5 of the police cars in my hand right here. Guys, comment down below which one is your favorite, and also help me out where each of these you think are from. I would have to guess that the little Camaro right there is a US highway patrol vehicle, but the other ones, Japan, maybe French, I don't know. You guys help me out in the comment section down below where each 5 of these are. And you know what, if whoever guesses them right, or I think is right, I'll give them a heart on their comment. Guys, thank you so much. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye bye.